Guys, namatay ako guys. Bababa dapat ako dito eh. Pero kung possible ba yun eh. Dito. Binaba ako, tas nagmamain ako dito pababa. Naka sneak. Tapos yung joystick ko nakaganyan na, naka backwards habang nakasneak ako. Hindi ko alam na malalagdag ako na pag ganun ginawa. So, naglanding pa talaga ako dito sa dripstone. So, insta-det talaga guys. So, yeah. The word is gone. So, we're gonna start over again. Yeah, guys. Yeah. And my dog too. No way. And guys, I didn't tell you this, but meron ako ditong secret. Laman nito ay meron ko siyang nakitang guys, spawner skeleton. Pagka-open ko ng chest, may laman, god apple, pati golden apple. Ito andito nga. So, if you go down here, ito. So, ito yun, inilawang ko para wala nang mag-spawn. Gagawin ko sana sa XP farm, kaso wala na eh. Kaya ako nagawa ng staircase, tsaka gumawa ko dito ng box. 1 heart na lang ako nun. Kaya, gumawa ko ng staircase para pag gusto ko, ay pag tataas ako. So, yeah guys, yun lang. Babay sa word na to. It's been a pleasure. Bye dog. Gonna delete this word now guys. But we can try it. We can try it. Try natin ulit mag hardcore. Gagawin ko na siyang maingat. Okay. So, this word has been deleted. Okay guys, that's all. If you want to see more video like this, please subscribe to me to update you what I'm gonna post. So yeah, and don't forget the notification to share with your friend. Maybe they like this video. Maybe they gonna like this video. Okay, see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. And that's a word of pleasure. Subscribe guys. Bye.